If your sky looks a little flat or dull in GIMP, this quick edit can make it look much richer and more vibrant. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to boost dull sky blues, depending on what your image needs. One method uses color temperature to add more blue overall, and the other uses hue-saturation to target the blue channel more precisely. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your image in GIMP and look at the sky area you want to improve. If the blue in the sky is missing that punch and the whole image feels a little warm or washed out, a great place to start is color temperature. Go to Colors, then choose Color Temperature. This tool is useful because it lets you shift the overall feel of the image toward cooler tones. Once the dialog box opens, look for the Original Temperature slider. Increase it slightly to add more blue into the image. As you move the slider, watch the sky carefully so you can see the change in real time. The goal is not to overdo it. You want the sky to look naturally blue, not overly edited or neon. If the rest of the image starts looking too cool, back the adjustment off a little until the balance looks right. This method works especially well when the sky looks dull because the image is too warm overall. A small temperature adjustment can make a big difference and bring life back into your photo very quickly. But if your sky already has some blue and you just want to boost it a bit more without affecting the entire image too much, then the next method is the better option. For more targeted control, go to Colors again and choose Hue-Saturation. In this window, you'll see different color channels you can adjust separately. Select the B radio button for blue. This tells GIMP that you want to work specifically on the blue tones in the image, which is perfect for skies. Now, push the saturation slider higher. As you increase saturation, the blue in the sky becomes richer and more vivid. Again, keep an eye on the preview so you can make sure the effect stays natural. A little saturation boost can go a long way, especially if the sky already has decent color and just needs a stronger presence. Once it looks right, click OK to apply the change. If you want the best results, think of these two tools as different approaches. Use color temperature when the image needs a broader blue shift, and use hue-saturation when you want to enhance existing blue tones more precisely. Depending on the photo, you may even find that a very small adjustment in both tools gives you the best final result. And that's it. You've now learned how to boost dull sky blues in GIMP using two simple color adjustments. This is a fast and effective way to make your outdoor photos look cleaner, brighter, and much more eye-catching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.